School cap. School cap. School cap.
Seriously. Stop it.
Peppa and her friends are going to the back rooms.
Madam Gazelle, I don't feel very well. The bus is very bumpy.
Oh dear, Pedro Pony.
Poor Pedro. Come and sit in the front with me. There. Is that better?
Madam Gazelle,
Oh, do you feel sick too, Zoe?
I might feel sick later. Can I sit at the front just in case? Can I sit at the front too? And me! And me! And me! And me! And me! And me!
Oh, I'm sorry, children. You can't all sit at the front.
Oh!
Never mind. We're at the campsite now.
Hooray!
Let me get out of here.
Oh, this is our... sight. Breathe in the wonderful fresh air, children. Ah. 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 Excellent breathing. Now let's put up our tents. Children, you must each find a partner to share your tent.
Susie, shall we share a tent? Meh. I said I'd share with Susie. Zoe. Oh, sorry, Susie. I said I'd share with Susie. Rebecca. Rebecca, you said you'd share with Susie. Oh, yes. Meh. Emily, who are you going to share a tent with? Susie. Okay. Good. Now you can share with Susie. Me. Okay.
Now I need sticks to make a campfire.
We'll get sticks. But me and Pedro want to get sticks.
Ha-ha, you can all collect sticks.
Peppa and her friends collect sticks for the campfire.
Wonderful.
It is night time. Peppa and her friends are sitting around the campfire.
Children, let's all sing a song.
Yes! The Bing Bong song, please.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Please, Madam Gazelle, sing the Bing Bong song.
All right. Ooh, we're playing. Oh, now, children, time for bed. Good night, children.
Good night, Madam Gazelle.
Peppa and Susie are in their sleeping bags.
I've got a torch. Me too.
Attention, children.
Nuclear disaster inbound.